Mercedes Wickert is my full name. I am studying acting here at Toronto Film School. I'm in term 4 currently, and I will be graduating September 2023, this year. Amazing. Gaining the experience as well, the knowledge and skills, hands-on, huge advantage because you actually get to do the work physically, not just, online. I know that was happening, but coming here was a great initiative because the instructors gave you the chance to work physically, and hands-on is a huge learning tool to understand the concept better. Theater acting, I have a passion for it. It's something that I actually desire to show the audience, show the world an intimacy of what the story tells and to portray it. I do have a passion for it. I enjoy lead characters, and it brings me actually the love to show people and to exaggerate what the story means and give the audience a good taste of what they came for, right? So joining here at Toronto Film School, it has developed me to be stronger, to know how to deal with my peers and audience. I didn't have all the tools and skills, but coming here, I developed my voice. I learned strength from the support system, the resources here, and it did benefit me a lot to stay stable and stay focused and to not give up, because there were times where it was hard, but I realized, you have to go through the dark sometimes to get to the light, and when you're in character, to understand that you have to have control. And the instructors here, they actually really do take their time to make you understand and comprehend that to be successful and to perform with your greatness. Professionalism, respect, whether if something doesn't feel right, but if it's something that you want, you're gonna go for it. And if you have a passion for it, you gotta keep pushing and don't give up. And that's something that I actually learned here. I've had instructors, pull me aside and say, hey, don't give up, keep pushing. It's a really great support system here, honestly.